In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Redbubble stickers. If you're keen on turning your creativity into something tangible and potentially profitable, then you're in the right place. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or someone who just wants to have a bit of fun, creating stickers on Redbubble is a fantastic way to share your work with the world. Let's start with preparation. Before you can dive into creating, you need a design. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll use Canva, a versatile graphic design tool that's great for beginners and professionals alike. First, go to Canva's website. If you're new to Canva, you'll need to sign up. Don't worry, it's free and easy. You can sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. For this guide, we'll use the Google sign-in option. Click on the login button, then choose to continue with Google and select your email if prompted. Once you're logged in, it's time to create your design. Start by clicking on the custom size button. You'll want to make your sticker design square for easy uploading to Redbubble, so set both the width and height to 2000 pixels. This ensures your design is high resolution and looks sharp when printed. After you've input the dimensions, click on Create New Design. Now the fun part begins. Click on Elements and then on Stickers. Canva offers a wide range of sticker designs that you can use, or you can get creative and make something from scratch. Once you've found a sticker you like, drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can adjust the size, orientation and position of your sticker to your liking. After finalizing your design, it's time to download the file. Click on Share and then on Download. You'll need to change the file type to PNG for the best quality. Canva might recommend a file type based on your design, but PNG is typically the best option for stickers thanks to its support for transparent backgrounds. Then hit Download. To save your design to your computer with your sticker design ready, it's time to upload it to Redbubble. Head over to Redbubble's website. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account or log in. Once you're in your account, navigate to your profile at the top right corner and select Sell Your Art. This will take you to a dashboard where you can manage your designs. Click on Add New Work. You'll then have the option to upload your design. Click on Upload New Work. Find the file you just downloaded from Canva and select it. As it uploads, you'll have the opportunity to give your sticker a title, add tags which help customers find your sticker, and write a description. When you're done with the details, you might be asked if your work is a repeat pattern. For most stickers, the answer will be no. Ensure that the product you're uploading for, in this case a sticker, is selected. Then you'll see how your design looks on a sticker and can adjust placement or size if necessary. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save your work. Click on the checkbox to acknowledge you have the rights to sell this design, and then hit Save Work. Your design will now be live on Redbubble for people around the world to purchase. Congratulations, you've just created and uploaded your first sticker design to Redbubble. From here you can continue to upload more designs, explore other products to design for, or start promoting your Redbubble page to potential customers. Creating stickers on Redbubble is an exciting way to share your creativity, make a little extra money, or simply create personalized gifts for friends and family. The possibilities are endless and the process is straightforward. Keep experimenting with designs and who knows, maybe your creations will be the next big hit on Redbubble. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Happy designing!